Hey, your camera looks a bit out of focus. Let me fix your focus ring for you. I'm just messing around. Don't worry. I'm a better person now. A changed human being. All thanks to the Masters in Mechanical Engineering program. I learned the intricacies of mechanical engineering with hands-on precision. From advanced CNC machines to specializations in thermal CAD and production engineering shaped careers in industries that never stop moving. With global exposure through one-on-one programs, international internships, top recruitments, and research that's not just academic but industry grade. CU's mechanical engineering program did not just feed my obsession with fixing things, it turned it into a real engineering skill. So, if you've got that itch to tweak, tinker, and fix everything around you, don't wait for the right time. Enroll at Chandigarh University. Get the mentorship, direction, and the tools your mechanical engineering obsession deserves.